So, hi guys. So, this is our day 2 here in Japan. So, specifically sa Osaka. And then, we are going to Rinko Premier Outlet Store just to check kung ano yung pwedeng mabili na mga discounted items. So, let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Saan mo binili yan? Big? Hindi. So, hi guys. Ito yung mga nabili ko sa Rinko Premium Outlets. So, I got these two Nike shoes for only 2,000 plus. So, grabe diba? Ang mura niya. Actually, hindi na to tax-free kasi may 30% discount sila and sobrang dami nung tao as in talaga nung nandun. So, just basic Nike shoes lang for my parents. Ayan, cute no? Aside from those shoes, nakuha ko tong cup na to for around 1,800 plus pesos na yun. In pesos na siya. So, ayan, cute lang. Wala lang. Nakakatuwa kasi ang daming naka-sale and meron pa update. And I got this, Gap pa na sweatshirt for may pamangkin. So, around 1,995, 1,990 lang ata. 1,990. So, original price na is around 4,990. Grabe, good still na 1,990 yen or 1,995. Mga ganun. Around ganun lang yung presyo. Grabe, sobrang laki ng discount. Nakakatuwa. Last purchase ko dun sa Rinko is itong New Balance 1906. So, we got this ng around 4,000 plus pesos. So, pares kami ng friend ko ng kinuha. So, grabe, diba? Sobrang mura ng discount na meron dun sa premium outlet store. Sobrang sulit siya dayuhin. As in. So, yan. If you're in Osaka, and then gusto nyo talaga mag-shopping, try to visit yung Rinko Premium Outlet. Sobrang good deal siya. Madaming brands doon. And, grabe, mag-prepare kayo ng madaming pera. Sobrang kasing sarap mag-shop. So, yun lang. So, thank you for watching this video and see you on my next vlog. Bye!